Hello, Dan Bunker here for United Learning's EdTech team. We're in Teams and we've already seen how we can create a team and add channels and manage channels and make posts and add files to posts. The final thing I want to look at is the files area of our channels. So in the general channel, I'll have a files area as well as class notebook assignments, etc. In any of the other channels I've created, I will just have the files and a note area. I'm going to go back to general and I'm going to click on files, and when I click on files it will show me the folder structure that's created with Teams. Now you can see there's already one here which comes automatically with a class team, and that's a read-only file for class materials. Now if I click on that and open the folder, it'll say that this is a read-only class file. Students can read these files, but they can't edit them. So that's useful for worksheets that you want them to download but not change in any way. Now to add some material to this folder, I'm going to click Upload. Very similar to OneDrive, I can either choose a whole folder or an individual or a group of files. I'm going to go for the files option, and I'm just going to browse my Windows Explorer and find the worksheet that I want to add and click Open. This will upload that worksheet to the class materials, and this will be a read-only worksheet. I'm just going to go back to that general folder, and we can see the structure here. I've already got a folder called Homework. I'm going to create a new folder in general, and this might be called Keeping Safe, for example. And in this folder I might want to upload different sorts of materials that are to do with well-being and making sure the children are keeping safe. So you can create your own structure with folders and upload the files that you want to in each of the different folders that you've created. So our files area is very similar to how we manage our OneDrive, except the class materials folder will be read-only for the pupils. Each channel comes with its own folder structure. So if I go to English and click on files, you can see at the moment there's nothing there, and when I upload they'll be uploaded to that particular root, or if I've got a folder, that particular folder. If I go to the maths area, and you can see in my maths posts I have linked to a sheet. Now if I look in files, by default that folder will automatically upload to the root of that particular folder. So the maths channel, when I attach something to a post in the channel, it'll just go into the files area. Now I can structure that more broadly by using new folder, and let's put times tables in here as a folder name. You can create your own structure within that and upload your various files to that. But if you just post in the team and add an attachment, then it'll go in the root of the files area of that particular channel.